Hi, I'm Dr. Rohit Arora. I'm a pediatrician and neonatologist at Cloudnine Hospital, Golf Course Road, Gurugram. The nipple confusion means the confusion that baby develops between the breast nipple and the nipple of a bottle. It's not just based on the fact that the consistency of the bottle nipple is different from the consistency and the coarseness and the roughness of the breast nipple, but also from the fact that the way the milk pours out from the nipple, right? That's the main reason of this confusion. So if you see from the bottle, the milk tends to pour out drop by drop, and in order to swallow, the baby has to stop the sucking act in order to swallow at that moment. Whereas in the mother, baby has to continuously suck in order to draw the milk, right? So it's exactly the opposite at times. However, nowadays the good quality bottles, they are trying to make in such a way that babies on bottles also have to really suckle hard to draw milk. But in general, the babies have to stop the milk flow in order to swallow, whereas in mothers, they have to continue to suckle in order to swallow the milk. So that's the primary reason of nipple confusion. Now, how to correct it? Basically, try to not use bottle in first place, that's preferred. If at all it has to be used, maybe use good quality bottles wherein the sucking mechanism is same. Always try to give breast first, and then if required, follow it up by using the bottle, and even nipple shields can be used instead of just the bottle. So these are certain ways wherein you can correct the nipple confusion. Thank you.